Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. Follow on Google News. WCoin price prediction. What will be the expected listing price? The excitement around WCoin continues to grow as the project reaches major milestones in its roadmap. With the official WCoin airdrop scheduled for mid-September 2024, followed closely by its listing on major Tier 1 exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Bitget, investors and players are eager to see how the token will perform in the market. Here's a detailed WCoin price prediction based on the latest updates and roadmap milestones. WCoin airdrop and market sentiment. The upcoming WCoin airdrop, expected to occur before September 15, 2024, is likely to generate significant interest. Airdrops are a great way to attract users, build a loyal community, and create buzz around a project. With WCoin celebrating a milestone of 20 million users, the demand for $coin tokens is projected to surge as more participants become eligible for the airdrop. Airdrops often lead to short-term fluctuations in token price. Right after the airdrop, some users may sell their tokens for quick profits, causing a temporary dip. However, this also provides an entry point for new investors looking to buy WCoin at a potentially lower price. The WCoin listing date, set for September 15, 2024, is expected to mark a significant turning point for the token. With listings on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Bitget, WCoin will gain broader market exposure, increased liquidity, and a more accessible trading platform for global users. WCoin price prediction. As with most crypto listings, we can expect a sharp rise in WCoin's price shortly after the listing, driven by heightened demand from new and existing investors. Based on current market trends and comparisons with other DeFi tokens, analysts predict that WCoin's price could start around $0.005 and may climb to as high as 1 cent within the first week of trading, depending on the overall market conditions.